Say hello to the Emerson SmartVoice Tower Heater 200FR, an innovative home appliance that you can control with your voice. Keep your home nice and warm with a smart heater that's easy to set up. No app, no hub, no Wi-Fi required. Just talk and the heater does the rest. Let's take you through the steps of how smart is made simple. The most innovative feature of the SmartVoice lineup is the ability to use your voice to directly control the 200FR. Let's go over some operations using voice commands. The SmartVoice heaters use a wake word to activate the voice control functions. So say, "Hey heater," to get things going. Once you say the wake word, the heater will listen for 10 seconds for your voice commands. "Hey heater." Power on.
Power on.
"Hey heater." Heat on.
Low heat.
"Hey heater." High heat.
High heat.
"Hey heater." Low heat.
Low heat.
"Hey heater." Heat up.
High heat.
"Hey heater." Heat off.
Heat off.
"Hey heater." Volume all the way up.
Maximum volume.
"Hey heater." Volume all the way down.
Minimum volume.
"Hey heater." Lights off.
Lights off.
"Hey heater." Lights on.
Lights on.
"Hey heater." Child lock on.
Child lock on.
"Hey heater." Shut down. "Hey heater." Child lock off.
Child lock off.
"Hey heater." Rotate on.
Rotation on.
"Hey heater." Rotate off.
Rotation off.
"Hey heater." 74 degrees.
Okay, 74 degrees.
"Hey heater." 60 degrees.
Okay, 60 degrees.
"Hey heater." Sleep in 1 hour.
Turning off in 1 hour.
"Hey heater." Cancel timer.
Timer off.
Power off.
Heat off. Fan will run until cool.
For more information and full user videos, please visit our website at emersonsmart.com.